Understanding two-factor authentication.
Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your online accounts. Instead of relying solely on your password, 2FA requires a second step to verify your identity, like a code from your phone. Using 2FA can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access, even if your password is compromised.
Why use a password manager with 2FA?
Password managers simplify the process of creating, storing, and recalling strong passwords. When combined with two-factor authentication, they provide powerful protection for your digital life. Integrating 2FA means no one can log into your password manager or your accounts unless they have access to your second authentication method.
Setting up 2FA in your password manager.
Begin by accessing the security settings in your chosen password manager. Look for an option labeled Two-Factor Authentication, 2FA, or Multi-Factor Authentication. Follow the prompts to enable 2FA. Most password managers will guide you through linking your account with a mobile authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Authy.
Linking your Authenticator app.
Open your Authenticator app and scan the QR code provided by your password manager. The app will generate a unique time-based code, which you'll need to enter in the password manager to complete the linking process. Once that's done, your password manager is protected by both your password and a fresh code generated every time you log in.
Backing up and using recovery codes.
When setting up two-factor authentication, your password manager will often provide backup or recovery codes. Store these codes in a secure place, such as a physical notebook or a safe, so you can regain access if you lose your authentication device. Never share your recovery codes and treat them with the same care as your main password.
Using 2FA every day.
With two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need your password and a code from your authentication app to sign in. This process only adds a few seconds, but dramatically increases your security. Whenever possible, extend 2FA protection to your other accounts for even greater peace of mind.